Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best universal car seat covers full set available on the market right now. The Coverado 5-piece Napa leather seat covers. Whether you're looking to elevate your vehicle's interior or protect your investment, this set could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's check it out. First up, design. The Coverado seat covers feature a luxury aesthetic crafted through 3D modeling. The clean lines and smooth contours give your vehicle a sleek, premium feel. And with the addition of matching head pillows, it doesn't just protect your car, it transforms it. The entire set is made from high-grade Napa leather, which doesn't just look sophisticated but also feels soft, supple, and surprisingly breathable. This is a universal fit set, meaning it's designed to accommodate most sedans, SUVs, pickup trucks, and more. You get 2 front seat covers with head pillows, plus a rear bench seat setup that's adaptable for a wide range of car interiors. Still, it's recommended to measure your seats and use the fit checker on the product page before buying, just to be safe. Let's talk protection. These seat covers aren't just about good looks, they're engineered for performance too. The Napa leather is waterproof and stain-resistant, perfect for everyday use, pets, kids, or even the occasional coffee spill. It's also dust and fading resistant, which is a huge plus if you park in the sun often. Basically, these covers act like armor for your factory seats. Functionality hasn't been sacrificed either. The design works seamlessly with your car's existing features. That means airbags, seat belts, seat adjustments, and armrests all remain fully usable. No problem, it's all accessible. And if you want to use your armrest as usual, the middle section of the rear cover is removable. It's clear Coverado put thought into the real-life usability of this product. Installation is another high point. You don't need to be a professional or spend hours trying to figure it out. The process is fairly simple. Slip the covers on, adjust the straps, secure them in place, and you're good to go. You get a custom-like appearance with minimal effort. Customization-wise, Coverado offers a wide range of color choices, so you're not limited to black. Whether you want something classic or bold, there's likely a color option that fits your style. Finally, peace of mind. When you buy from Coverado, you get 30-day Amazon Prime recovery and a 12-month repair support promise. That's pretty reassuring when buying accessories for your vehicle. If you own a vehicle, sedan, SUV, or truck, and want to combine protection, luxury, and practicality in one stylish package, then the Coverado car seat covers full set should absolutely be on your radar. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the best products out there. See you in the next one.